Hey guys, it's Tom Adams here. I just wanted to go over the different views we have on this test sites. First view is of the point cloud that was captured. And I recommend whenever working in these views, just maximizing the view. All right, so we'll toggle the full screen right here. All right, so once you're in there, you can kind of pan and turn. Just kind of look at the point, zoom in and out. You can create points and sections by, so here you measure points, and then when you get out of the command, just right click, and then you can annotate points down here. You can add lines. You can go into clip mode. You can place sections and section your view here. There's a lot of different options. It is a little tricky to use, but once you get the hang of it, it's not so difficult. All right. So the next view is of the 3D model that was generated from the point cloud, showing walls and doors and receptacles on the walls in unique shapes. So we'll go into full screen there. All right, and you have all these options. So if you'll notice, when you're not in full screen, you kind of lose some of your options. But you get into full screen, you pick them up, you pick up your options. You can change your view. So right now we're in first person, but we can go in different views. We can go on a walk view. So, and then we can go to first person. We can orbit. All right, we can zoom in here and kind of check it out. All right, we can see there's some receptacles here. All right, we see there's receptacle right here. And there's two here. All right. You can actually get into settings and change our appearances, our navigation, how we work, you know, the environment, how it works, how it's shaded, all kinds of options and appearances you can mess around with. All right. So go ahead and mess around with that. Then you have in the bottom one, so it's probably showing up white, this bottom one, you barely see what's going on here. First thing I'd recommend doing is, again, go into full screen first, then go into settings, and right here you can in appearance, select appearance, you could toggle between a white background or a black background. So you'll toggle to a black background and you'll see this. If you're probably seeing this to start. And it's really difficult to see the CAD. So go ahead and change it to a black background and by appearance and switch to black background. You'll see what's going on here. So in here you can take measurements. Right now we're in inches, but if you wanted to change your measurement settings, you can change it to fractional inches, feet, all types of options, meters, so and so. You can measure areas. If you want to measure the area, measure area. Bam. Just go around and click, right, and you'll start getting areas. So again, this is in square inches, but if you wanted to, you could change the measurement to, let's say, feet in fractional inches or feet in decimal inches. And you'll notice it changes. So it's 104 square feet. You do distance. So once you're done there, you can mark up the drawing. So if you wanted to mark it up and add some text and send it out somewhere, make a call out, right? And you take a snapshot of it. Whoops. So you can mark it up, go in here, call out, we'll just call out one, just an example. And so you have a call out, you close that down, You can cut, you can draw right on top of it. And what this does is you just make a snapshot of it, save it out to your computer and make a JPEG out of it, and then you can share that with others. All right. If you have any questions, so there's your snapshot that it was going to save. So when you're in full mode, it wasn't showing, full screen, it wasn't showing it. So, all right, if you have any questions, let me know, and thank you very much.